Okay, so my fan, a couple of months ago, probably about 3 months ago, the power on it just went out. It stopped working. So from what I know, my remote also stopped working on it completely. Like even with the power on, the fan won't work. The lights won't either. Trust me, it's not connected, but the lights are over here, but it won't work. So I took this off. I took off the remote receiver, and I'm gonna wire it up direct. I took that off. So what I'm gonna do is connect the fan directly to the power, over past that receiver right there, because that thing don't work. We'll see if it works. So let me see. I'm gonna make the connections. Let me see. So I'm connecting the black wires, the blue and the black from the fan go to the black of your source of the power that's coming from your ceiling, and the white goes to the white wire that's coming from the ceiling, and that should be it. And we'll test it right now. See, I'm almost done. We'll see right now. All right, let's check to see if it works. All right, so this is what I did. See, white to white, and the blue and the black from the fan go to the black of the ceiling, and that's it. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, see, it works. Oh yeah, man. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna turn off the fan so I can show you guys if the lights work and connect the lights. Let me just turn off the fan. Hell yeah, man. And that way you don't have to go out and buy a receiver unless you want to. But I mean, for me, I've seen these receivers go for about $30. And tell you the truth, I'm cool without it. Like, I don't need it. Yeah, forget the remote. I don't need it. I just want the fan to work and save myself about $30. So let me see. I'm about to connect the light just to show you guys that it works. Give me a minute. Let's see. Oh yeah, there it is, man. So if you want to save yourself some money, just take this thing out, man. You don't need it. You don't need it. Forget it. Don't need it. All right. Thank you.